the only option is to fix this one. Ka problem hi berkhait kali kani. This is the problem. Nada kalong mata bakal long bel nada kamlong mata kamut plop describe no. So kumno kalong ram tip. I don't know how it's working. अभी तो बाबू engineer बन गया रे. Success. Lalong. Why are you shaking? Miss bo. This is sad. Kabaik kamlong shuh mentang trangin hab bania surat hab syukit no seselong. Kelak kembing rupok. Yes. Kini di bike we like it. This is the end of the iarap adventure. Alright, bike update. Ever since I came back from Garo Hills, naru bangawan na Garo Hills, haduh menta ka bike nga kampat long. Ti kajinge ka long ba wa nga la wara sniru kimpat dila ban shna nga la lira. Ki kato ni jaka but pala ban penlong. I took my bike to a few places and still not being able to fix the bike. I'm not sure what's the problem, but I vaguely have an idea about what happened. I mean, what the problem is. Yet, I'm not sure. I'm not sure, but what exactly the problem? I mean, the reason behind why it stopped, and it's difficult for me to start it again. Now I'm just trying to fix it at home and see what can be done with whatever I have at home. And one of the main problems, just give me a sec. Most probably, okay, and most likely the problem could be is because of the contact point. A lot of you guys have been telling me to change this and that, and I've tried many of those options, but it didn't work. Ki babun ki perlu ni kila ai ki tips bade ki rukom shna ki babun ki liang nabta so ni ka baik tenre ka haduh mentang kampat long tiging jong kani kede na uni u contact point kat kum ka jing ong jong ki katu kani ki bangaru ngasngo kuma kede ti kidan ki benta-benta kum hang ni ula loose thread tuni hang ni ru ula kham jengai khendian tila kade na kani complete baka kine kumno ya katang pandang ong tinggal law mentai kini arteli ngala exchange kini bro arteli, but I've just changed these things, tighten the plate to this domru, and I'm not sure if this will help me to start the bike or not. Also I've also cleaned the coil. So there's a lot of things piled up here. There's a lot of dirt and all that. So I've sanded. Ngala shoot series ni khniat numala nang ta ngala shoot plok biang hang tu bakan long. Ti la kan dei nuni ne kom nur ngam tip namar bakat kum ka rukom long jong uni the jing sha tu de ban long baik de ban don jing namar ba uni hang ni leu de ba long uni bi ken kila day umne uni hang tay kamukan umanding hiru ke shaka suplok kenre kading kawan which means there may be a problem somewhere, but contact point he te as of now the only thing is I'll just have to try a few things with the contact point, try a few things with the coil, and let's see if it ignites, if it starts, and if not, maybe I'll have to take it somewhere else, but as of now I have no option. Thanks to all your advice, your bon ki balaya ai jumot u ki ong ba get a new bike. That's a very easy option to to quit on your bike and then buy a new one. But the thing is, if you have a bike like this one, and any other bike for that matter, that one too, we tend to have a lot of emotions attached to it, a lot of emotions connected to the bike, especially this one. This is the first bike that I've went for a long ride, and I'm pretty sure that this will stay in the family for long. I want to teach my son, my children, to ride this, and maybe the grandchildren too, as long as we can still find people to fix it, or I can still fix it myself. But as far as the engine and all the electronics is concerned, still okay, but I'm not sure how far will this one last. Yet selling it is not an option at the moment. Kan mla banong bangan di no namar bakani hakawi kaliang kalade no dream bike ko jonga. This has been my dream bike, and it's my first bike to first bullet. I wanted a bullet so bad since I was a kid. Dang lakwa haban bu bullet na dum sham but kani kadi ka bullet ka baningkong kamni ka baningkong kani kalade ka baar taman re ka bal penpoy yang asdu ki jaka ki bapher so to say, this is my dream bike, and it has got me, it took me places, and I've got a lot of lessons, and I've learned a lot of things through this bike with this one. And selling it off, it's clearly not an option right now, and getting a new one also, it's really in a bit of I know I may have to sell one of these things and then buy a new one, but clearly this will not be the one. And ketika we henteru ban plate ni makatili gedi ka Pulsar 150 kari ka duna bam til ba kabala dalit sharum shaneng banong banya hasor jaka shani shasor bak ki jaka ba marjan le ka bas plat na mabli kam judan problem hey ru stian which this one is something that I cannot sell. Ma kanili tiga ba kabamlong here. It gives me somewhere between 60 to 65 mileage, so you know how much that is for Shillong, for city ride. So that stay, this one will also stay, so getting a new one is something very difficult for me at this point of time. And ka problem hi berkhait kali gani, this is the problem. If I have money to I can buy. The thing is I don't have maybe a saved up money for that yet. And one other main reason is that I don't have a place to park the bikes, because even these two that has only a small shade like this, a small shade like this one tends to get rusted with the rims and all that. So I don't want to get a bike where I'll just leave it out in the rain and not being able to to cover it properly, or to have a proper shade and all that, because it will just get spoiled by parking there. So I want to make sure that I have a space somewhere that I can park the bike and then maybe get another one. But clearly as of now it's not an option. The only option is to fix this one. So what do I do now? Teka ba sahi ka day bita mga shuh fix kanin pusyang kani hatakarukam bakan long bakan numdan jing thut yeru bakan start biang susin tini start no ngani pynkhie Mynta kalong kumno mo. So I've fixed a few things there, so let me see kya kariya. Bila kine larching ka na sharing video papa. So my son is growing up, and I'll teach him to ride this bike too. He must know, he should know, and he must know. This is something that's very basic. If he can't ride this one, there's no point of riding a bike. Let me just check that part. Biang. Hai. Biang lah bam tu kan.
Kan?
Tik ledan lang iti sa stay teng la. La ay lang gitu.
Yes namin no?
Kimi ba mak. Tamba flop no ba. Ki ni lubi pi. Ngal hali ay sa din. Mabikidan mene ki bun beriwan. Ti kita ba asya khmat kila abun ki o positive sudah. Ti haban ay semanga. I'm not sure but biang ni em makmiyat tasyu mene ru bala khang kloy no. Kharar ji dak khang. Hah? Yo likit do. Oi Khan? Yes. Oh yeah? Ciha di sini baju paha hendak ha? Di sini baju paha hendak. Nanti sa ya lek kekam ke jam hokan. Shna baik ke boleh? Boleh Peit? Why do you run away? My beautiful lady. Hey, my beautiful lady. Why do you run away? Boleh. Hah? Tinggal si. Hah? Kau singalin yang ngembur ira? Ngembur ha? Dambung ngalali aku tu. Makan. Mulai ukan yi unai. Oh hi to the camera. Mau hi dah. Aku beli perlok berdua. Mau dah. Beli apa lagi? Ngadan kam black tape niat. I don't have the black tape. I don't know where. Ta sunscreen. Klaim ke sunscreen pila banyo iki wrinkles, ki sunburn, ki dark spots, but kumjuru iki skin cancer. Kan pini tymmen ni phiru kham dei por. Habaya biang lani shang makya shrum shneng phinam light nya ka sngi khantam haba ka shit phalang. Ki tupya knup lani ki yit khmat rambo jong phi kim nan jingbut. Namar wal haba dum lo ka bneng ru ka sngi phi kam aili. Na ja ka dang yo rai phi ka Sunrilla aqua gel sunscreen 50 SPF. Kani dai ka sni do jong phi na ka jingsha thang ba sha sang ha ka sngi haba shit khamtam. Kumjuru nak ba khluit sang ding la na pidei bakhiat be kum gitu ki miau kalan chaula kan penom ki sni do jong phi da ki built in moisturize kani kalong menta namta baro ki jas sni do kani daru phi ni ki percent ki nyang mong bat baro ki jing pinwedi to dot ba bhapri jong phi kani kawan bar ke SPF 50 ki bamot kan IP haduh kram % ki UV protection ka sunscreen kalong ka bron kam namta ki kintai ki shnang ki khlung ki nak samla ki rang ba par kumjuru ki tymmen ki kro
Nih kinyo pangi men shot tak sini lah biang
to em nang le promotion bro
ai tip shna ai do shna to sunscreen nya li yong na
So, the thing is, this one, man haben tip shiny khndiat nomor ba ula I loose. Yes, kan, oi. Kualeke. Kata dia ke iya kan, kata dia ke seat. Apa? So I just need to tape this one in and then paste it back, insert it back. I hope kanikan long. I'll be switching to Khasi and English back and forth for all of French. Kipalok jungi babun kiba Peit shani tai amtang nani na jela jungi na kiba na baru dengan hapen keren bat kasih wat pareng kujuk kepor. Habile pareng habile kasih kujuk kepor. Ku apa kan betul. Betul. Kan ya kebat ya kan? Kebat ya? Bat bulat. So I'll have to insert this in like that. Push it inside the coil. Start now pa bike ha. Ini lagi start. Start deh kan. Hah? Kumne benjar start. Dia benjar start kan. Ya. This is the phone. Come start the combo. It doesn't start in one kick. Start con. Long bị cầm lên nè. Thật. Xin á. Xin. Bắt phai thôi. Xem bắt phai camera. Ring pa tu. Apa ni kai pa cup lai. Mat pa. Mada. Palena. Mada. Saya trim tu kan. Ni trim kan. Phai la dah. Tadi subtis TV kan. Ni lah phai la dah bro. Ni lah trim. Ni. Keren deh. Phai tu. Keren. Oh, kumta. Itu vlog. Hari lain je. Keren kan? Blogar. sini Putra. Ana. Mana apa? Bye bye.
Bye bye em.
Bye bye chị em. Bye bye baby chị em. Phải được không nào? Papa ya. Hindi papa si em papa. Papa boss. Thật So, ka-start tutuk tang. Kayap no. Achok na dito. Let's do this. Ada light sukik dulu. Lah thật thật xin ngin off ra si sin na dai sa start yang mo. Di ka lang mo. Rồi. Start biang Mynta. Cái nó start nè. Switch it off. Mynta sudah start bersisian mah.
Pynkhie dia.
Asya start bersisian up. Start bersisian up. Lada kelalong mau kelalong ke baik. Let me see one more time. It's working now. Strange. It's working. It's working. Boleh biasa isian mah. So, I go on. Now it's working. So, coil is okay. Okay. One last time. Dah, pelit penek Mynta. It's working. I don't know how. I'll test 10 times. Mentan ngal adap lysian. I did thrice. Now for the fourth time, I'll do it 10. So, now the fifth time. Okay. And now the sixth time. And now the seventh time. And now the eighth time. And now the ninth time. And lastly, this will be the 10th and the last time. If this one works, it means I can go anywhere around the wall and it will have no problem at all. Alright, let's see. This will be a sign. Kane sign. Nada kalong Mynta, bakal long bel, nada kamlong Mynta, kamut plop describe no. So, chalo. अभी तो बाबू इंजीनियर बन गया रे. Oh, it's working now. Bindas. Lalong, go back, lalong. Success! Oh, this is so nice. This is so nice. I like it. Oh my goodness. Okay. It. Why are you shaking? Miss Bo. It's working good now. Chalo. Done. Mission successful. The mission is successful. Oh my goodness. Now I'm not gonna sell this bike anymore, and I'm not going to buy a new one either. This one is best for me. If it breaks down again, you shna again. No, you make it again. You make it. If it break, you make. If you make it break, if it break, you make. Ho gaya, khatam. Chalo. But I like it, man. I like it. Now I'll start washing today. I'll wash and blah 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 blah. I'll just wash all the dirt and the whatever we have, all the dust and everything in here, and then in the there also, and then finally I will write this. I will also paint this black, man. Please comment on what do I paint this, what color should I paint this one. And I know the jong ne ngadi kumne ne no ikum ni kelas sedang kok sarang gani wi nen ajing sha ngai ke clear coat ne ne jong tang ba imat kelak kok clear coat ting adan kamban siat no the wrong. I think I may have to paint that one, give it black, and maybe a longer flag, because now it has accomplished so many things. And boy, whew, I like it. I like it. You write, it breaks, you make, it break again, you make again, you write again. Oh my goodness, it's like write, break, make, repeat. My goodness, I like this, man. But honestly, I cannot afford a new one as of now, because even if I have to buy a new one, it will still be a second-hand wala. So another second-hand bike will be a little difficult. It may give more problems. You never know, unless you have a genuine rider, or maybe let's say an experienced or a rider who takes care of his machine, the previous owner, that is. Then if you take a second owner bike, it may work. But if not, you need to get a new one. But the thing is, with these new bikes in the market, I am not liking them so much, just because it's fuel injector. So I love to ride the carburetor ones, which means, you know, the BS3 Wala bikes works best for me. So getting a new one is not an option now. This is my dream bike. It breaks, you just have to make it. Can't help it. That is the only way. That is the only option. But buying a new one is not an option right now. So thank you for your suggestion, thank you for your advice. Now the bike is working. What if we try one last time, just to be sure? Let's see. Don't just do it for the camera, my bike, my baby bike. Do it for real. 1, 2, and 3. I like it. Let's do this. now you'll be seeing me riding on the streets again with this bike. Oh, I'm loving this. Sadly, when I came back from Tura, when I had to transport the bike with the pickup, so I had this dent because it was leaning towards the thing, towards the, what do you call that, the thing of the camper. So it's like the border wala, so it leaned towards the thing, and I got a dent here, so I have to make the dent, wash it off, everything. It has all that dirt from the Tura ride ever since I left Shillong, and you have all the dust. Even when the fire when it caught fire here, so I was throwing some sand and everything, so it still has all that sand here, see. So I'll have to wash it all off and then get start. What to say? Oi! Attention, eh? Alawan. La best plat berkelalun ke bike. So I'll wash it off and then get going again and get this thing on the road. It's nice. This also I have to make one. I've raised this handlebar up. Keep this headlight, and then raise this mudguard also up till here. It'll be more of off-road wala thing, and then keep a wider rubber here, wider tire, and then chalo ho gaya kaam khatam. It's so nice. I'm liking it so much. Yes, Mynta the engineer bike nyor lalong. Yes, I like it so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.